Okay, so this actually is e to the power of x divided by e squared. Okay, that's just a constant. So let's bring the e to the power of x over. You have 2 e to the power of x, e squared times e to the power of x minus e to the power of x is equal to 7. You can factor out e to the power of x. If you combine that into a single expression, you get 2 minus e squared over e squared. So e to the power of x will equal to 7e squared all over 2 minus e squared. If you ln both sides, you get x is equal to ln of that. I'm just going to stop there. You can punch that in the calculator if you want a decimal equivalent.